Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever built a website on Wix, you probably know how important it is for your site to look clean and easy to navigate, especially on mobile devices. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide specific sections on your mobile site in Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your mobile site look polished, uncluttered, and user-friendly without affecting the desktop version. So let's jump right in. First, let's switch over to the mobile view in Wix. At the top center of your Wix editor, you'll see a little icon that usually looks like a phone or just says mobile. Go ahead and click that. What this does is it switches your workspace so you're seeing exactly what your visitors would see on their phone. This is crucial because content that looks perfect on a desktop can sometimes feel crammed or overwhelming on a mobile device. So don't skip this step. It's your chance to tailor the experience for your mobile users. Now with mobile view open, let's find the section you want to hide. Just scroll through your page until you land on it. For example, maybe you have a large testimonial carousel or an extra banner only relevant for desktop users. When you found your section, click on it to select it. You'll notice that once selected, a little blue border appears around the section, which is Wix's way of telling you you're about to make changes here. Here's an important part: don't forget to right-click on the section. Right-clicking is a bit like telling Wix, show me all the options for this component. When you do that, you'll see a menu pop up with different choices. If you're on a Mac and don't have a right mouse button, just use Ctrl+click, it works the same way. Take your time here, sometimes menus can feel a bit confusing if you're new to the editor. Now go ahead and select Hide. What this action does is make the section disappear, but only on mobile devices. It's sort of like putting it behind a curtain. Your desktop site will look unchanged, but on mobile your visitors won't see that section at all. This is a great way to streamline your mobile experience and make sure people aren't distracted or slowed down by content that just doesn't fit well on a smaller screen. And don't worry, if you ever want to bring it back later, you can always unhide it. Wix keeps things flexible for you. Sometimes you might realize that you actually want to remove the section permanently, no matter which device people are using. No problem, just right-click the section again and this time click Delete. A little note here, deleting is permanent, so double-check that you're okay with the section disappearing from both mobile and desktop views. Think of it like cleaning out your closet. If you're ready to say goodbye to something, just hit delete. Otherwise, hiding is a gentler option if you just want to tuck things away for mobile, and that's really all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can create a much more focused and pleasant experience for your mobile visitors. Just remember, whenever you're designing for mobile, always put yourself in the shoes of someone browsing on a small screen. Simplicity is your best friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you've got questions or are running into any trouble hiding sections, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more practical Wix tips and website tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Looking forward to seeing you next time.